In the world of high-end audio, silence is the ultimate foundation for every masterpiece. Welcome to a cinematic journey into the heart of pure analog music. Behold the origin of sound where raw materials meet engineering brilliance. Here, luxury isn't just a label. It is the result of meticulous and silent dedication. The process begins with solid aerospace aluminum, chosen for its density and stability. This massive block will soon become the steady anchor for your favorite melodies. Cooling jets spray in a rhythmic dance, protecting the metal as it is carved with extreme precision. Every movement is calculated to ensure absolute structural integrity. Watch as the diamond-tipped bit peels away layers of metal, revealing the sleek curves of the chassis. These silver ribbons are the first signs of life. Precision is the language we speak here. Every angle and every curve is designed to dissipate energy and maintain a state of total, undisturbed acoustic calm. As the bass takes shape, we prepare to enter the realm of mechanical perfection. This is where the foundation of high-fidelity sound is truly born today. Moving to the platter, the heart of the rotation. This heavy alloy component is forged to provide the inertia needed for a perfectly stable spinning motion. A laser beam scans for even the smallest imperfection. In this high-end world, a single micron of error can lead to audible distortion in your music. These ceramic bearings are the unsung heroes of smooth rotation. They provide near-zero friction, allowing the platter to glide as if it were floating on air. Magnetic suspension feet are added to isolate the system from the world. They act as a barrier against floor vibrations that could ruin the listening experience. Now comes the human touch. Hand polishing achieves a mirror-like finish that no machine can replicate. It requires hours of patience and a very keen eye. The craftsman feels for imperfections that even sensors might miss. This dedication ensures that every unit is a unique piece of high-performance mechanical fine art. Each micron of error is a potential noise source. The chassis and platter are integrated to completely eliminate environmental vibrations, protecting the purity of the signal. Stability is the key to timing. A perfectly balanced platter ensures that the rhythm of the music remains consistent, without any flutter or unwanted pitch shifts. The assembly line is a temple of precision. Each bass sits ready to receive the sophisticated electronics and drive systems that will bring it to life. Internal damping materials are carefully placed to soak up any resonance. We leave nothing to chance, ensuring the background of your music is pitch black. Every bolt is tightened to an exact specification. This level of mechanical consistency is what separates a standard turntable from a true high-end audio instrument. The foundation is now complete. It stands as a testament to modern engineering and classic craftsmanship, ready to host the heart of the mechanical system. As it spins, the platter becomes a blur of silver light. The mass and balance work together to create an unstoppable momentum for the vinyl record. Leveling is crucial for accuracy. We ensure that every surface is perfectly horizontal, allowing the tonearm to track the record grooves with absolute mechanical neutrality. With the heavy engineering done, we move into the clean room. This is where the delicate electronic heartbeat of the machine is finally meticulously installed. The motor is the heart of the system. In this sterile environment, ultra-thin copper coils are wound to create a brushless DC motor of unparalleled quality. Tiny sparks fly as electrical connections are forged. Every solder joint must be perfect to ensure a clean flow of power to the high-torque drive system. The motor is isolated using specialized silicone mounts. This prevents any motor vibration from reaching the platter, keeping the musical signal free from mechanical hum. The drive belt is the bridge between power and motion. Made from advanced polymers, it ensures a smooth transfer of energy without any slipping or noise. Under the strobe light, we verify the speed. Total stability at 33 1/3 RPM is mandatory for the music to sound exactly as intended. A single drop of high-grade synthetic lubricant is added to the spindle. It reduces friction to near zero levels, ensuring a lifetime of silent and smooth operation. This satisfies the most demanding standards of mechanical fluid dynamics. The oil creates a protective film that allows the heavy platter to spin with ease. We measure speed to the third decimal place. Precision timing is the pulse of the system, ensuring that every note hits at the exact right moment. The motor controller is a work of electronic art. It manages power with extreme accuracy, correcting for any speed fluctuations in real time for perfect playback. A magnetic flywheel adds another layer of stability. It smooths out the motor's pulses, resulting in a rotational consistency that is truly liquid and natural. Power is engaged. The system awakens, ready to demonstrate the fruit of hours of labor. The pulse of the machine is now steady and strong. Fine-tuning the belt tension is a delicate task. It requires a gentle touch to find the perfect balance between grip and isolation for the platter. Everything is organized and shielded. The internal layout is designed to prevent any electromagnetic interference from reaching the sensitive audio pads located nearby. The motor provides the heartbeat, while the platter provides the soul. Together, they create a steady platform for the most fragile of musical signals. With the drive system sealed, the foundation is ready. Now, we turn our attention to the delicate instrument that will track the music, the tonearm. The tonearm is crafted from premium carbon fiber. This material offers an incredible strength to weight ratio, which is essential for rapid and accurate tracking of grooves. Inside the arm, a honeycomb structure eliminates resonance. It makes the arm acoustically dead, ensuring that only the vibration from the record is heard. Precision sapphire bearings are used for the pivot. These allow the arm to move with virtually zero friction, following the record's path with effortless grace. Mounting the arm requires absolute focus. Alignment must be perfect to ensure that the stylus sits correctly in the groove for balanced stereo imaging. A simple breath is enough to move the arm. This test proves the incredible sensitivity of our bearing system, ensuring the needle feels no mechanical drag. The counterweight allows for precise adjustment of tracking force. It is the key to balancing the delicate pressure between the diamond tip and the vinyl. Internal wiring is made of high-purity silver. These ultra-thin conductors carry the tiny electrical signals from the cartridge with zero loss of detail or clarity. The anti-skate mechanism provides an opposing force. It keeps the stylus centered in the groove, preventing uneven wear and ensuring a perfect channel balance. Every detail matters, down to the headshell surface. We ensure a rigid connection between the cartridge and the arm for the most accurate signal retrieval. The cueing lever provides a gentle descent. This hydraulic system protects your records and the delicate diamond stylus from any sudden or harsh impacts. Carbon fiber is not just functional, it is beautiful. The shimmering weave reflects the high-tech nature of this modern analog masterpiece we are building today. We calculate the effective mass to match with the best cartridges in the world. This synergy is what creates the legendary sound of high-end vinyl. Vertical tracking angle adjustment allows for the perfect needle angle. This level of customization ensures that every record sounds its absolute best on this machine. The arm is ready. Now we move to the most sensitive part of the journey, the cartridge, where mechanical energy finally transforms into musical emotion. The stylus is a microscopic diamond, cut to perfection. It is the only part that touches the music, making its quality and alignment absolutely paramount. Soldering these tiny wires requires the steady hand of a master. These connections are the bridge for the delicate signals that carry every musical nuance. Titanium screws are used to mount the cartridge. Being non-magnetic, they ensure that the cartridge's internal magnetic field remains completely undisturbed and pure. Alignment is a science. Using digital tools, we position the stylus with sub-millimeter accuracy to minimize distortion and maximize the life of your precious records. Azimuth adjustment ensures the needle sits perfectly upright. This maximizes channel separation and creates a vast, three-dimensional soundstage in your listening room. Tracking force is set to the 10th of a gram. Just enough pressure to capture every detail without causing unnecessary wear to the vinyl surface. We verify the performance with an oscilloscope. Seeing a perfect sine wave confirms that our mechanical and electrical systems are working in perfect harmony. Even a speck of dust can affect the sound. Every component is meticulously cleaned as we prepare for the final quality control listening session. This stage requires the patience of a saint and the eyes of a master. It is the final refinement before the machine is ready for music. The cartridge is the soul of the analog sound. Its ability to extract detail from the grooves is what makes this turntable a true musical instrument. Final testing in an isolation booth ensures that the frequency response is flat and accurate across the entire audible spectrum, from deep bass to airy highs. Even the outputs are high-end. Gold-plated connectors ensure a lifetime of corrosion-free signal transfer to your amplifier and speakers. No detail is too small. Every screw and wire has been double-checked to guarantee that this machine performs at its peak for decades to come. A signature of quality. Every turntable is a personal commitment from our artisans to you, ensuring an unparalleled listening experience from day one. The masterpiece is finished. From a raw block of aluminum to a precision musical instrument, the journey of engineering and art is complete. We enter the listening room. This is the ultimate stage, where our creation finally gets to breathe and speak through the power of music. Behold the final product. It is more than just a machine. It is a gateway to the original performance, capturing the soul of the artist. A record is placed with care. The heavy clamp ensures it is perfectly flat against the platter, maximizing contact and minimizing any unwanted resonance. The needle drops. That characteristic warm crackle is the sound of life returning to the music. Pure, uncompressed, and deeply emotional analog sound. The dance begins. The stylus follows the microscopic waves of the groove, translating physical patterns into the rich, harmonic vibrations of a live performance. When mechanical precision reaches this level, it transcends technology. It becomes an art form that serves the most human of all expressions, music. Experience the depth and the warmth. Every breath of the singer and every vibration of the strings is delivered with breathtaking realism and clarity. In an age of digital convenience, the turntable remains the king of fidelity. It is a timeless connection to the heart of the musical performance. High-end audio is a journey into sound. Thank you for joining us in the craft of perfection. Experience the purest analog sound today.